Despite regulations stipulating that burial of COVID-19 infected persons must take place within 10 days, this has not been the case at the Windhoek mortuary. While cases of COVID-19 infections and deaths have reduced over the past 2 weeks after a heavy blow from the third wave, the Windhoek mortuary is still filled with COVID-19 bodies. According to Emilia Constantine, the infection prevention and control coordinator in the health ministry, the mortuary is storing some bodies dating back to the beginning of the third wave in June. There are about 80 or so bodies, Constantine said, are not buried yet due to several reasons. Some family members have no money to bury their loved ones, while phone numbers of some families are not reachable or written incorrectly. There are also the bodies of those waiting to be cremated.
Because some families are faced with financial constraints because they are finding it difficult to make ends meet to bury their loved ones. So we have bodies that are here dating back to June, July. But some of those ones are waiting to be cremated. Our crematoria is currently, it's on and off, so we are waiting for the crematoria to speed up the process actually, because it's delaying us. Because, some families, they opt to cremate because sometimes the person is not a Namibian and they want to cremate and take to go and bury in their country.
The Ministry of Health and Social Services is busy tracing family members. The ministry's executive director, Ben Nangobe, says family members that cannot afford to bury their loved ones can request assistance from government.
In cases where families are unable to bury their loved ones, they can inform the ministry, they can inform the state, and the state would conduct what is known as a safe burial. So if there is a family that is unable to bury, they should inform the health authorities, and the health authorities would then provide for a safe burial in such an instance.
The Windhoek mortuary stores bodies from the Windhoek Central Hospital, Nampol, and the COVID-19 wards. Currently, the mortuary has the capacity of 266, and the ministry is busy constructing an additional refrigerator chamber that will be dedicated to COVID-19 patients. Selima Henok, NBC News, Windhoek.